Hi there, let's view how the ElephantJuice Mission works. Step 1. Place your order. Submit your personal message, up to 150 words, through our secure platform. Step 2. Message to DNA. With our partner, Biosystemica, your message is transformed into synthetic DNA using advanced biotechnology. In simple terms, your words are translated into the same code that stores all life's information, making your message both real and enduring. Technical note: your digital text is first stored as binary data, zeros and ones. This is then encoded into the 4 DNA bases, A, C, G, and T, creating synthetic DNA strands that can later be decoded back into the original message with complete accuracy. Step 3. Secure encapsulation. The DNA is carefully preserved and sealed within an aerospace-grade metal capsule, engineered for durability and long-term protection in space. Step 4. Integration and verification. Your capsule undergoes rigorous testing, certification, and integration into a satellite to ensure safety, precision, and mission readiness. Step 5. Launch and tracking. Join the live launch event and track your capsule's journey in orbit, with real-time updates at every stage. Great, now you know how it works. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Elephant Juice, send your love to the stars.